this is the whole concept through which we will try to seek in our discussion with respect to understanding of multivariate analysis. Previously, we have done certain aspects related to sigmotic things. So, sigmotic function we will discuss today in the form of logit regression. That is why I have intentionally make you recall the inverse S-shaped curve or S-shaped curve basically with respect to this aspects. So if house permits, let me proceed to the today's discussion. If all are ready, can we go ahead?
Sure, sir.
Sure. So this is the multivariate data analysis today we are going to talk about. As far as the introduction of correlation is concerned, our few participants are unmuted. My request is, in order to make environment very clear, please mute yourself. So now we are talking about correlation. The correlation is one of the aspects through which we try to highlight the role of relations. So here relations are basically we studied. So the basic aspect of correlation, we try to see the relationship. So here we try to focus on a relation with respect to dependent and independent relationship in regression, also in correlation also. Apart from that, this is more focused on regression part, whereas in correlation we try to see the direction of relation between two variables. For example, if summer is one variable, we will see its relation with the heat. If we talk about winter, we try to see its relation with, we will try to see its relationship with cold or cold wave. So these are the things which are worked as an example, and see how they are going to talk about with respect to their relationship in direct or direct relationship. We are trying to bring that. So these relationship varies from +1 to -1. So this is what is the basic aspect of regression is concerned. Sorry, correlation is concerned. Simple correlation can be dealt with respect to the Pearson product. Moment correlation seeks to measure linear association between two variables x, y on the standard scale from -1 to +1. So this is one of the basic aspect with respect to dealing with the relationship of the scale is concerned. So this is in between that. The correlation between x and y is a covariance that has been standardized by the standard deviation xx, yy. This yield a scale intensive measures of linear association between these variables. So Rxy is equal to, this is a simplified formula, is equal to Sxy divided by so-called Sx and S product of Sy. So this is what is the basic aspect with respect to dealing with the correlation or simple correlation is concerned. So now little bit theory I will touch upon, and then we will straightway go to the practical. Our focus will be more on practical, not to worry, because during sessions most of our participants focus in more on application. Until unless you have basic round of understanding of what is there in the theory behind the application, it is difficult to connect between them. So I will write only one or two slides, and then I will take you straightway to the practical. So testing the variate or bivariate association calls for or recall the significance of correlation between compounds n minus 2 or n minus 2 degree of freedom, that t test which we have already talked about. So this is what is a simple relationship. Now I would like to say that there are certain other 4 types of relationship. We will get into the detail of these later on. So let's go straight away to right now in the system of R and see how beautifully we can create some aspects with respect to dealing with the multivariate analysis is concerned. So intentionally, I have picked up one data set which is stored at my laptop, and based upon this laptop, I will try to bring out the whole aspect. First of all, let me clear the so-called history of our system, and then the moment it is clear, I can discuss the details, because a lot of practice has been done, at least out the results in front of you. Let me clear the history. Yes, I want to clear all the plots, so it will be clearing the plot side. Then I will be clearing the console later on, and then we can start the process. Give me 1 second, please. Otherwise, it will be a yes. So here is something which is being initiated in the aspect requiring for this. So here one package is being installed. Amila is the installation package which has been installed now, and this can be unpacked also. Let me clear the detail of this console also where it is yes. So let me start. I have intentionally brought the data from my CSV file. I hope so you know how to bring the CSV file in the system. If you have remember it, wonderful. If you have not remember it, I will repeat the process for your convenience sake. I will write the vector motor cars, then I will try to make the system greater than sign minus. Read.csv, this is the code, that is the path where we have kept our data in our folder called RFD. In this RFDP, we have gone to the folder, and empty cars is my data. So here is the empty car. If you can see, I will right click it, try to trace the path from here, from the properties. I will go to the properties after doing the right click, and then pick it up the path. This when window is opened, I am picking up the path, and from here I will copy this, and after copy it I will say okay, that is closed. I will go to R again, and I will try to demonstrate the complete now file is being called, sorry, and this is what we can see, and in the environment you can see some changes has been seen. So data set has been import. Somebody were asking for from environment through CSV file. This is the history, and this is the connections we have, and then tutorial. In the environment, you may see the environmental details and the files whatever you are inducting in the system. So this is the way in which we proceed. Now once it is done, the basic work here is to call the data. So this is the file. It has got these many details of the data in the car. So this is the sheet of data. So here we are. Now basic data analysis, here we start with the structure of motor cars. So now let me call the structure of motor cars. You can see the structure here. It has got 32 observation, 12 variables, and all the details are mentioned here. Now let us go to the summary of it. This is also basic tool. Yesterday also, day before yesterday, I have tried it. So it gives you the basic parameter related to the minima, maxima, median, mean, first quartile and third quartile. Now let's do and try and see, can we make a histogram? So you can make a histogram only for those variables which are numeric in number or which are numerical in nature. So we try to call a histogram with respect to motor cars MPG. So this is the detail. We can make it big to see it. So zoom it. That zoom facility is also here in the R. So you can have the x-axis motor car $MPG, whereas on the y-axis we have so-called frequency. So now we are trying to plot histogram of this place. So this is the displays histogram. So you will find it here. You will find the details of histogram around 200 points. It has fallen down and then reached again above to the parallel of the current situation. And again on fourth, 400 points have fallen down. Now let's plot the basic diagram called box plot. So this is the box plot for motor car variant MGP. So here is the box plot. So as you know that any point beyond this viscous is called outliers. Right now this is median, this is first quartile, this is third quartile, mean median is there. And we can plot box plot of MGP also. So this is a perfect picture which normally the data analyst want in journal. So this is one of the key aspect of details. So it's a perfect picture almost. Let's go ahead. Now, can we plot a bar plot of any integer? Let us try. This is an integer called am. Can we take a value here and see, can we plot a hist? Here it's a hit and trial method. Remember it. Hist of motor cars default $s this am. So this has been also plotted because this works in 0 and 1s. Can we plot the box plot of it? Let's do it and see and check with this. So error is there because the data is not a numeric number, it is 1 and 0 binary number. That is why box plot is not possible here. In this case, it is the reason behind the nature of product and details you have. Now let's go ahead and try to find out relationship between two variables. One is weight and MPG. So this is what we need to understand. So let us see, help and call the variable aspect and see the details. So let's see here correlation. This is correlation motor car data set, and in data set with respect to WT. So let's go ahead. There is something in chat. Yes. Okay, I need to speak little bit on higher node. Okay, sorry. I am trying to increase the volume with the my deliveries. So let us see. I have created one detailed aspect of correlation matrix. So you will find the detailed correlation matrix here, where between them there is a highly significant negatively correlationship between WT and MPG. Let us plot this. So you will find scattered diagram like this. So there is a very uncertain relationship shown, no trend, but falling down trend has been seen. Now let us see the correlation between other aspects of data. Can we plot a correlation between? Let us see, is there any correlation between these things? Let us see from here. The cylinder mileage, and let us do it here, mileage, MGP, and horsepower. Can we see any detailed aspect behind it? Let us see. So here it is, and then we can plot also. Plot between this. More, please focus on the writing of code also once I am depicting that. Motor car, by default you pick it up, $HP. So correlation between these two variables. So there is again negative correlation between them. Plot is this side. So let us see how positive correlation is there in any of this variable or not. Let us check. So this is a cylinder. Cylinders are concerned, correlation between motor car dollar this comma motor car dollar this dis displays. So there is a highly significant and positive correlation behind it. Now let's plot this detail. So make a plot for both of them. So +9 is the correlation. So here we can remove this and run this plot. Yes. So here is the plot, clearly seeing the relationships. Very highly correlated items are there. Now can we see another correlation between them? Another variables. Let us pick up the variable, copy the code. You need not to write every time new codes. Copy the code and make adjustment in the code. Let us go to the top of the sheet and see the horsepower and draft, weight and torque or gear. Horsepower and gear. Let's assume that horsepower and gears has got any relationship or not. GEAR, gear, gear. Okay, let's change and modify this also, horsepower and gears. So this is what we are trying to do, various correlation matrix. So there is a negative correlation, that is why it is seen clearly in the negative part of it. Yes, this is quite similar to C programming, and we have done a lot of work with respect to that. Here, what are the terms and technicalities to process smoothly? Any idea of case? These are the case studies which I am using it. These are not brought by myself. I have created these small case studies by practicing and by learning only. These are the case studies. You have to understand what kind of a correlation, what kind of activities are there. This is the way in which normally we proceed in the data analytic papers. So now see the correlation between the given data, MC data, and try to do the details of rounding off. Then look at the complete chart. Relationship here has been shown with respect to MGP, and this is a reflection matrix. If you can just take this matrix to the Excel, you will find the complete matrix in the reflection manner. It will be easily visible. This here it is little bit challenging to see the matrix. All the detailed software plannings and aspects finds into this. Similar things are being used. Let's go one by one and then see how things will work. Here is the details, and I'm just trying to put you into correlation matrix. So our work is not done. Let me remove it and go back and take the details again. So here we are. Let me take it. Here is the moment you pick it up, you will able to see that how beautifully correlation matrix has been evolved from here, and you can easily pick it up. I am not able to. This is Word doc, so you will find it has to be dealt in a different manner. We can put it here and remove this. It's an image form. I forget that. You can get to know how differently the data has come. So you can put it into Excel by comma. Look at the diagonal ones. So relationship in the diagonal format, relation between this, relationship between this. So various data has been formed by these relationships. Now let us go to, we have already done this. Now we will go to further of this. Then we will try to plot various correlation between motor car W. Then this is another plot. Again, we are trying to make the four diagrams together in the one screenshot set, so we can see the motor car MG and WT relationship. These are the relationship between cylinder MGP. This is MGP displacement and HP. So these are the four different correlations we have studied. Now, in order to test our bivariate association, whether it is right or wrong, whether it is proper or wrong, proper or best thing is to deploy deploy R library has to be called off. So you install, remember, install packages and put the name dplyr. I will not call, otherwise conflict and time will be wasted. I will call the library. So by calling library, it is already attached. Now let me see whether it is attached or not. Let me check. This must be attached, otherwise results will not come. So this is dplyr. Let me install it this way. So it is already installed. I'm okaying it. I have just cleared the okay. Hold for your questions because let me complete the session, and the moment I will complete some concepts, I will evolve discussion. In the middle, if you punch the question, what will happen? The concentration between your understanding and my movements of hands will hinder. So wait for few concepts to be get drilled down. We will definitely able to solve all the queries, not to worry. So I'm restarting the process for this particular code. So I'm just trying to take the library in. Session is restarting. This package can create problem for us. That is why I'm waiting. Let me see the correlation between these details. So let me check the test of significance using this. Uh, there is an error in the system. Not to worry, let's go ahead because these codes will not function unless the code or library functions properly. So this is the ultimately code has done. So we have created a test of bivariate analysis. So this is Q, this is vertically you will find this. We have taken a correlation between QSE, QSE1, cylinder 1, correlation between QSC and cylinder minus, correlation between QSC and displacement minus 0.4, relationship between QSC minus horsepower, cylinder minus 5, plus same highly correlated cylinder and displacement 0.95, and this is 0.8, this is minus, this is again displacement in cylinder plus 0.9, 1, 0.79, high correlations are there. So this we have seen the right kind of a test has been performed here. Now see the correlation test between them and find the value. So if you go, this is a moment correlation, t value is this, degree of freedom is this, p value is this, test has been performed. Similarly, correlation value we have found by this. Now using ggplot, the value can be displayed using this process. So here is the details of correlation between cylinder and QS. So that is why we have used ggplot library to showcase our details. Let me close the previous diagram so it can zoom it. So this is the zoomed version of your correlation matrix, and it is showing the line QSE and cylinder. So this is what is the plotting visualization of association is concerned. Now let's test the significance of all correlation in the matrix. So this is done by H miscellaneous code semicolon R double semicolon R correlation between this and matrix. So here is the another matrix involved with this, and you will see the diagonals reflection matrix is clearly indicated from here. You can take it there to the Excel and try and see how it is going to function, because here diagonal relationships are removed. So you can see on the diagonals you will not find ones, here 0.4, here 0.4, here 0.10, here it is. So reflection matrix is clearly demonstrated with this code. Now let's go to the other parts of the detailed analysis of we have done with respect to. Now you can see the file number, file name, argument to write out the table as Word. So if you want to use the word reporting, this can be used by a library. First of all, you installed a library, sorry, a data from the system, install dot packages, and this will help us to make our report to be dealt in the Word or in other formats, latex, etc., because our work is basically mostly into the latex. So I will run the library. It is already done. So this is going to bring the detailed format in the formation. So let us wait for results. It will easy for us to transport from R version to Word version or latex. So this is the advantage of this. This is the whole report which has been brought. So this is the, you can see, this is showing the details of system report which can be brought into directly without any reason, sorry, without any detail issues. You can brought this whole process into your Word report. So let me take it to the slide straight away to demonstrate this, the beauty of this code, that how useful is this code, and it helps us to create a clear cut reporting of the whole process into the Word format or in the PowerPoint. So this three variable correlation is clearly indicating, talking about mean, standard deviation, correlation with the confidence of interval is concerned. So this is the advantage through which we can see mean, standard deviation aspect. These are the detailed and correlation. So perfect 0.5, 0.59, 0.9, 0.79, and the rest of the details. This is what is the advantage of this code which we are trying to do it, which is not at all possible simultaneously doing it in any of the software. So this is the power of R. Now let's understand keeping the correlation for further analysis. Here we will store or see all the details of vibrate correlation with RC test. RC test between these two variables, QS and other things, creating the structure of C text, creating the value of C text, which is 0.0003. This is the estimation correlation between them. So indirectly, we are testing the correlation results with this C test analysis concerned. We have verified our results based upon how we are going for our results and details properly. Now there are useful helpful packages in R. Broom is one of that package, will help you to work with the statistic objects and data frames. So I'm using this Broom library, and this is already attached, so I am not calling it again. Now Broom at glance CTEX is being used. So here yesterday one of our participants have talked about the correlation, Spearman correlation test we will perform here. So Broom at glance has brought this result. It has given us the estimated stats, p-stat, parameters, confidence level, and confidence high method. So all the Pearson's correlation details can be seen between using the this Broom's text aspect is concerned. So the various tests have been performed and they have various aspects. So now Spearman's correlation test, yesterday somebody was asking for it. I think Miss Urvashi was asking for Spearman test, as I have already told her, and this is based upon categorical variables, and we have details related to this. So let's perform the correlation using Spearman test. So correlation.test test motor cars $QSE, comma motor car cylinder method Spearman. So here is the test performed. Here is the value using correlation of Spearman. So these are the values when you perform it through correlation method, and ranking has been evolved in this. So this is the detailed aspect. So when you change the method, there might be detailing has been changed, and values are of ranking based. So this is what is the aspect of Spearman correlation is concerned. Now correlation to correlate missing values. Yesterday missing values aspect was also evolved, and we have done it this earlier also in the initial basic data analytics EDA aspect also. Now let's go into the details of this. So here you will find the this is correlation with Spearman. This is the correlation for missing value aspect. So if I run this, it will show you the data with NA called missing values, NA called missing values. Now we will try to bring the treatment of missing values. So this code will help us to bring out the treatment of missing values. The minus were missed upon and whole things are being checked out clearly using this code called correlation to underscore correlation underscore miss. Use pairwise complete observation aspects. So now I will plot a GG plot diagram to showcase the detailed aspect into this. So if you see nicely, you will find the detailed aspect of correlation straight line above. Scattered points are being around this straight line. So this line, though it is imaginary in nature, will be touching most of the correlation points are concerned. So this is right now I have done it the grade details, and now we are getting into certain aspects. We are moving ahead with respect to the regression aspect is concerned. So till now we have completed now this is simple regression is concerned.